guys, welcome to the channel. If you did not see my last video, my license plate fell off and I got yelled at by the cops. So make sure you go check that one out. Let's shut this off. Alright, so I think I came up with a pretty good solution for a license plate holder mount thing, whatever you want to call it. I do have a sub cage, which makes it really hard to mount the license plate. I'm not gonna have blinkers or anything, but I guess that's better than riding around with no license plate like I have been. So I already took everything off and I'm gonna show you my idea to fix the problem. I went to Home Depot and probably spent like $1.50 or $2 on a cabinet hinge, which I'm gonna mount right under here. I think on my Grom, I'm gonna mount it here, maybe down here, I'm not sure yet. And if you're gonna do this to your bike, I mean, every bike's different. I'm doing it on my Grom. Just find a good place to mount it. Be creative. So here's my license plate. As you can tell, it's a little beat up and all jacked up. What you'll need is a screwdriver for the screws, one door hinge. I think I spent like $1.50 on this. It's very cheap. And then a pencil to mark your holes. So what I'm gonna do is try to line this up in the middle. If you want to get it exact, you can pull tape on it and just get it kind of lined up. That's where I want it, right about there. Get your pencil, mark your holes. And I don't have a drill, so I'm gonna try to push these through without a drill. It's not gonna work, I don't think. Just like that, just to make a little hole. Now the next one, do the same thing. Just like that. And now that the holes are made, you can put this on it and fully screw it in. Stuck to the top. There we go. And I do have screws coming out a little bit. I guess I can cut those off or something. Alright, so here is where it's going to get a little tricky to mount it and line it up straight. So I'm going to do my best to hold it where I want it. Get my pencil. It looks about straight right there. Make your marks. Can't see them very good, but it's good enough, I guess. Pull your tape measure. Yeah. I know my first one's straight. Finally got that one started. Now that I got the first one started, I'm gonna put the whole bracket on to get the other two lined up nice and straight. Alright guys, so there is the finished product. I'm going to come back and paint that black, touch up my sub cage with white because when I zip tied the license plate stuff up, it messed it all up. And some of you guys might be wondering, Matthew, why'd you use a cabinet hinge? Well, because that right there. Now I can run from the cops. But all jokes aside, when I'm taking pictures of my Grom, taking videos of it, or you know, something happens, you never really know. You just flip it up, okay? $2. It works pretty good, actually. So there you go, guys. Very cheap and easy Fender Eliminator kit. And I'm actually gonna come back and mount this light for the license plate back here. I'm gonna drill holes when I have a drill and actually mount the light under the license plate again. That way I can be as legal as possible. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, give it a big thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.